start. The first thing, therefore, that I took up was maternal and child welfare, and I am glad to be able to say that a great deal of progress has been made in maternal and child welfare. Stop. These centers have increased enormously. Stop. While I agree entirely with my friend that we have not, of course, got enough health centers in rural areas or enough personnel, I think creation of the personnel, the creation of the health centers, the creation of the maternity and child welfare centers is going ahead with a fair amount of speed. Stop. I was delighted when I went to the other day to Bhopal to see in the remotest villages that the villagers themselves have built up maternity and child welfare centers, and government have put qualified women to look after them. Stop. The care of the child is certainly our greatest responsibility, and the fact that the death rate per thousand of the estimated population has decreased during these last 7 years speaks, I think, in evidence of the fact that infant and maternal care is now receiving the care that it merits. I hope that in these community project areas, in the secondary health centers, which I would like to come into the national extension service blocks, still further care will be given to maternal and child needs so that we may be able to serve this part of the population better than we have done so far. Stop. A sum of rupees 50 lakhs has been given by the center especially for maternity and child welfare in the backward areas. Stop. Another sum of rupees 50 lakhs is being offered to the states again from the centers apart from what the planning commission is doing for the vital work. Stop. Over.